We are at IGXO's lab right now and we're getting all the lipsticks ready for production. It's gonna be launched so soon. I cannot wait for you to have it in your hands. I feel nervous, I'm so excited. I can't believe this is real, and let's go. The best thing to do for my first lipstick was come out with a shade that I love, that I wear all the time. It's not too warm tone, it's not too cool tone. The name Dahling, that is the name. My husband, every single time he addresses you guys, he says, "Hey, darling." And my husband is actually the one that pushed me to pursue this dream of having my own lipstick. Another thing is this is cruelty-free and vegan, 100%. It's something that I'm really proud of. I'm gonna leave a link in my bio to where you can purchase your very own Dahling lipstick. Thank you so much for your support.